Hi everybody, welcome back to the Techo YouTube channel. What we're going to be discussing today is a Techo SMS-Block. Normally in a CO2 system we have a filter, we have a solenoid valve, and we have a sight glass for the oil line system. So this is normally three separate pieces, but with the Techo pack we've designed and built one block which has all of the pieces integrated. So having a look down at the oil separator over here, we have the oil level indicator. So this is a maximum level indicator. Once this level hits a maximum level, we then activate the solenoid valve, and then the oil is sent through the SMS block, through the filter, through the sight glass, and into the oil receiver via the pressure inside the oil separator. We can demonstrate this as well. What we can do is we can take this off, and then we can just manually show you how the system works. So just unscrewing the electrical supply and then also the solenoid valve. So once the high level indication has been activated on the oil separator, it sends a signal through to the solenoid valve, and then as you can see inside the sight glass, the oil is then pushed towards the oil receiver. And that's basically how the SMS block works. You can also change the filter on the SMS block. It's very simple to do. Once the system has been shut down and bypassed and all the pressure has been released, this bolt here is then unscrewed and your filter comes out. You can then replace the filter, and don't forget that you also need to replace the seal every time you open the system up. Put a new seal in and then put the oil filter back in, and then you can carry on with your system running. Thank you.